Alright guys, so my buddy just got here with his new bike. Good morning guys, welcome to TwistOfTheRisk. I'm actually gonna go for a quick ride today since it's been getting so damn hot. It's been reaching 105 plus here in NorCal, so I'm gonna take the Jixer out today. One of my buddies has got an MT-07, so we're gonna take him out on the rear ride right behind Nikes Ferry, if you know the area. So I'm gonna head to his house right now and I'll see you there. Alright guys, we're gonna go to my friend's house right now. He just got himself a brand new 2020 MT-07, so should be fun. It's a nice day, super nice day, but I already know later it's supposed to get pretty hot. It's starting to cool down, but it's still over 100, so we're gonna get a few right in today and maybe more tomorrow with some of the other guys. But for now, I'm just gonna go take a buddy of mine out where I learned how to ride. So he has a lot of experience. When I mean a lot, more than me, I guess, but he hasn't rode in a long time. So we're just gonna go out there and let him do his thing. Not to mention he's getting used to the bike that he just bought. So look at this guy running red lights. Nice one. But for sure, you just gotta be careful because people are freaking nuts. The world's crazy, you know what I mean? People are dying. Rest in peace to one of my best friends, REYMAR. Rest in peace to you, my brother. Rest easy. And also rest in peace to George Floyd, since that seems to be a pretty popular topic right now. You know, guys, here it is, the 2020 MT-07. Brand new. I think that's crazy how the key is right here. You know? Super quiet, super nice wheels, super upright, super comfortable. And that's his bike. So, take it for a ride. Do you need gas? Yeah? I don't know if I'm full. I gotta go check. Nah, you're okay. Yeah. Oh, that thing looks nice. It fits him quite well. He's a lot taller than me, so I rode that yesterday, and I'm definitely not used to the sitting position. I guess I was uncomfortable because it was so comfortable, if that makes sense. You see him in the rear view mirror there. He looks way more comfortable than me. Yeah. Yeah. I think I just ripped my pants there. To be honest with you, I was just telling my mom that these pants that I'm wearing right now, it doesn't stretch. And I told her that it's not gonna stretch. Hey, I ripped my pants. That's my second one, man. I'm gonna go change my pants. Just turn it off for a little bit. That's hella funny. Shit, that's gonna be on YouTube. Dog, I knew it because I'm writing, and then I'm like, fuck, I feel it. I was like, son of a bitch. Watch, my mom's gonna laugh at me right now. Cause see, I told her, I was like, hey, fuck, my fucking pants not stretching. Alright guys, so I had to stop by home because I'm sure it happened to a few guys, but my pants ripped, you know. Whoa. My pants ripped, so that's that. I have to go home and change them real quick. So he literally has like 50 miles on that thing. So he can't really smash on it. So we're just gonna take it slow so he can get used to it. But I think he'll be fine. Alright, no well. This is my first official ride with my friend Noel. So he's going to be showing up on the channel more, for sure. He's going to be doing a few more mods to that MT-07. I tried to tell him to get an MT-09, but you know, it's all good. He had a GSX-R before, so he just wants to cruise this time. I want to adjust the throttle, because it's kind of, it's always bothered me, so I really want to get that fixed. On the CBR, there's no play. As soon as you twist it, you know, there's some resistance, and then it just goes. With this one, there's a little bit of play on it, so I really want to get that fixed. I don't know how to do it. I gotta YouTube it. Then I gotta call my master mechanic. So Khalifa. That guy had to work last night, guys. So hopefully we get some ride time with him this weekend. Cemetery. Again, rest in peace to those guys. Especially my boy. My crazy ass brother. Can't believe you're gone, my man. I really can't. It's also your son's birthday today. Happy birthday to little REYMAR. And man, I mourn for your dad so much. You're like a splitting image of him. And I can't wait to see what you turn into. You're probably going to turn into a bigger, badder, more badass version of your dad, man. But stay humble, little bro. Look at that. How would you dip in? How do you dip in on a naked bike? I mean, like, you're so up straight, you know? So I'm trying to figure it out. So I'm just trying to figure out how like the whole speed thing, you know what I mean? Leg action. Yeah, I love being back here, man, because I get to watch people, you know. But you can tell the well road before, for sure. And not to mention that bike is way more lightweight than this. So maneuverability is definitely a little easier. Alright guys, we're here at Knight's Ferry. Taking the official first ride of the MT-07 with my boy Noel.
Trying to break it in.
Gotta break it in. He's got like, how many miles do you have on here now?
Probably like 60.
But one thing I noticed for sure, man, is this thing
has a lot of torque, a lot of pickup. I think it's because it's a pretty light bike, so it's got like 60.
That's miles per gallon.
I wish
73.
He's
73
got
right now.
see that he got 73 miles on this thing, and he's smashing on it. Nah. He's just learning. He's just learning the cornering and getting used to the bike. Yeah. As for this guy right here,
Beast.
no.
Beast.
So we're gonna take the highway back right into town, get more seat time, and see you guys back on the helmet cam.
What's that? Hot? I know.
Alright guys, it's getting hot, so we're gonna start heading home. See you in the next one. Later.